How to download Roblox Studio on the laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Roblox Studio on a laptop. To start, open your web browser and search for Roblox. Visit the official Roblox website and sign in to your account. Choose a game that you want to play. Press the play button to begin. If needed, download and install the Roblox app. Find and open the robloxplayer.exe file from your downloads folder. When prompted, click Run to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, click OK to confirm. Finally, press Join below to enter the game. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.